Hello, this is Trudy with True and Healing Travel, and today we are in the beautiful Lerwick of Shetland Islands, and I'm going to be taking you on a walking tour. Now, this beautiful island, just to let you know a little bit about it, it's of the Shetland Islands are the northernmost archipelago in Scotland, and Lerwick is the capital with about 7,000 people, and it's nicely sheltered by the island on the other side, Bressay Island. And my walking tour, I'm going to take you first along the coastal walk called the Knabb, and we'll go by the historic Lodberries and go to the Clickimin Broch, which is an archaeological site. And then we'll end in the town center, and I'll show you iconic landmarks such as Fort Charlotte, and the town hall. So without further ado, let's go see Lerwick. I keep on wanting to call it Limerick, Lerwick. So here's a good map of the walking tour. So we start right here in Victoria here and walk along Commercial Street, past the Lodberries, and then along the Knabb, which is the scenic coastal walk, and then go to Clickimin Broch, which is the archaeological site, which is right here in the south end of the loch, and then come back and come to the town center here, and there's Fort Charlotte, and then the town hall. So arriving off Victoria Pier, I'm gonna first go left towards the Lodberries Memorial Park and Clickimin Broch. This is the Lodberry, and that means loading rocks in Old Norse, and these were private wharves, and it's now the setting for a popular BBC series called The Detective. Evidently this is where the main character lives. Here. Yeah, right along this quaint road here. And we have right next to the Lodberry is Baines Beach. I don't know if I'd want to go for a swim there. Walking the Knabb, there is a trail that hugs the coastline there, so this is the scenic walk that takes about a half hour to walk along there. And there, a memorial cemetery is to the right, and you can cut through the cemetery, but it's better to walk on the path along the water. Coming off the Knabb onto this road here, we'll head towards Clickimin Broch. Okay, so I've made it to Clickimin Broch, and just a little bit of background on these before I show you. A broch is basically a stone roundhouse. They're from the Iron Age, and there's over 100 in Scotland. And this is Clickimin is the most well-preserved one in all of Scotland. So, and they don't know what they were used for, whether it was for military, storing grains, or even ceremonial. So let's go take a look at it and see what it's all about. And also, just to know too, it's on the Clickimin Loch. All right, you know you're in Shetland Islands when you see this sign. There we go. Oh, that's pretty. Advantages of working on a cruise ship is I get to run into my crew members out on the port. Say hi, everyone. So right on Commercial Street is Fort Charlotte, and I'm gonna go. So we just go this way. Okay, Fort Charlotte is free here, and it has been stood on guard for 350 years. We have here the town hall. Now it's closed today, it's just open Monday through Friday. But it's known most for its stained glass windows in the upper level that depict the history of Shetland. Thank you so much for joining me today. It's been such an incredible day in Lerwick. And if you did like this video, please like, comment, or subscribe. And also just to let you know, I'm going to be continuing to work as an acupuncturist on a cruise ship. So I'm going to be seeing the world for the next 6 months, and that's going to include more of Europe. And then I'm going to go back to Canada along the Maritimes, and then we're going to be circumnavigating Africa, and then also doing the Caribbean. So if you're interested in any of that, then please join us, and bon voyage.